house on the river, they cried for attention. It looked like a ruin, but it felt like a mansion. No money was spent to put food on the table, no tin for the roof or paint for the gables. Sometimes you just can't go home. I wonder now, who sleeps in my room? Do they lie awake? Do they ever wonder who lived here before and who walked up the hallway, who laughed in the kitchen and fell in the driveway and cried for the seat they had signed and called this place home?
Dawn, it's a Uluru sunset. It's 40,000 years of dreaming. The heartland keeps on beating. That's us, flying down an old dirt road. That's us, driving through fields of gold. Getting high on a country station, rolling through this back road nation. And that's us, and I got you next to me. Right here is where I wanna be. We got a good vibration, living in this back road nation. Well, it's wild and it's free. It's a saltbush sea. It's pink galahs in flight. It's out of town, it's a tailgate down, it's a campfire in the night. A way of life, it's the life we're living, as long as this big world keeps spinning. That's us, flying down an old dirt road. That's us, driving through fields of gold. Getting high on a country station, rolling through this back road nation. And that's us, and I got you next to me. Right here is where I wanna be. We got a good vibration, living in this back road nation. Unsung towns and ancient ground, a road that never ends. It's the homeland song that when you're gone calls you home again. And that's us, flying down an old dirt road and driving through fields of gold. Getting high on a country station, rolling through this back road nation. That's us, and I got you next to me. Right here is where I wanna be. We got a good vibration, living in this back road nation.
follow the sun and which way the wind blows when this day is done. Breathe in the air, set your intentions, dream with care. Tomorrow's a new day for everyone, a brand new moon and brand new sun. Follow the sun, the direction of the birds, the direction of love. Breathe in the air, cherish this moment, cherish this breath. Tomorrow's a new day for everyone, brand new moon, brand new sun. When you feel life coming down on you like a heavy weight, when you feel this crazy society adding to the strain, take a stroll to the nearest water's edge, remember your place. Many moons have risen and fallen long before you came. So which way is the wind blowing, and what does your heart say? Follow the sun and which way the wind blows when this day is done.
Then I